Hey everybody, One Man Drywall Army here, and I'm gonna just give you guys a little insight about working harder and or working smarter. So one of the ways that I like to work smarter is by basically when I go to cut a piece of material, whether I'm using a chop saw or my snips, for example. Okay, so look, in situations too, I don't need to break up my tape measure. I just need to put my finger on that mark. Put my finger on that mark. Make the cut. Okay. Once I make the cut, instead of throwing this piece on the ground and having to pick it up twice, I just take this piece right from the cut and boom, just like that, right into the trash buggy. I don't have to bend over twice. If I do that on every single piece that I cut throughout the day, just think of all the time that you're wasting or saving if you do it this way. So anyways, I hope that you guys found that useful. I appreciate any support that I can get. Got my t-shirts, One Man Drywall Army shirts up for sale, so if you're interested, go ahead and place an order on my PayPal, PayPal.me One Man Drywall Army. So have a good one, and I'll see you guys on the next one, alright?